Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to make this easy knotted bow headband. Here are the pieces that you will be needing. After cutting all the pieces, I folded the main piece in half and stitched the seam with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. I turned it inside out and then pressed it for a nice and clean finish. Next is the casing for the elastic. I folded it in half and stitched it all the way down with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I closed one end of the casing so it would be easier later on to turn it inside out. Clip the corners. Then use a pen or a stick to turn it. And then press the seams. Insert the elastic using a small safety pin. Then secure both ends with a straight stitch. So here is the finished elastic. For the bow, sew the two pieces right sides together with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Make sure to leave a 2-inch space in the middle so you can turn it inside out later on. After sewing, I clipped all the corners, then turned it. The next step is to press the fabric. Then close the 2-inch hole that we left a while ago with a straight stitch. Here are all the pieces. I pressed all 3 pieces again for a nice and clean finish. The next step is to join the elastic to the main piece. Position the elastic at the center, then you will be folding the top part over the bottom. You have to make sure that you folded both sides the same way. Then sew each side with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. I usually go back and forth a couple of times to secure the stitches. Sew an overlock stitch to protect the edges. You can also use a seam binding if you do not have an overlock machine. I cut the excess thread and then turned it. This is how your headband will look without the bow. You can also leave it like this if you prefer a simple look. The last step is to tie a bow at the center of a headband for a really cute look. And we are done with our knotted bow headband. Thank you for watching my video and see you on my next DIY vlog.